Hello, beautiful. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So as you can see, we're doing something a little bit different. I'm giving you inches today. Period. Inches, girl. Inches. So listen, y'all know I don't do a middle part, but of course, I got a rare touch today from our girl, Nidra. So listen, if you want to see exactly how we slay this look, stay tuned. I'm gonna ride. Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Listen, if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Listen, we are in the beautiful, beautiful salon of my girl, Nidra. You know, she always lets me come in and take over and do my hair review. So we're doing To The Salon. And today we're doing another unit with Recool Hair. Y'all know I love Recool Hair. This time they sent me over a 26-inch 13x4 lace front, okay? Straight hair, right? Let me just show you real quick. The unit, I got a little bit of worries about this one. But I know that my magician, aka Renidra, gonna make it work. So listen, this is the unit. Beautiful, long, straight hair. I'm not doing nothing to it. I'm putting it on and that's it. I'm not gonna cut it. I learned my lesson with that. Trying to fix that other wig that I should have just left it alone. So we have, let's look at the combs. Again, this is a 13x4 unit, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3 combs at the crown, 1 at the nape of the neck, and we have adjustable straps. This one, y'all know I have a 25-inch in diameter, okay? My head, diameter. One important thing when you're getting wigs is measuring the circumference of your head to make sure that your head is going to fit you all the way. Also, you want to measure from here to the nape of your neck and all the way around, just to make sure that you have a good fitting unit, which I didn't do the first time, and my unit didn't fit on my head. Anyway, this is the unit. Absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch my magician make it work. Now, y'all know I love these bags, y'all. Save your hair bags when you get these bags. Let me just show y'all really quick what Recool Hair sent us. Ooh, they sent me a lot of gifts. They sent me some clips. They sent me a bonnet. They sent me a comb. Ooh, they sent me a lot of stuff. Headband. An edge comb, lashes, and a wig cap. So listen, you guys, we're going to get into this install. I think you guys are really going to like it. Sit back, relax. Come watch me get my hair done. I hope this inspires you to do some self-care and to go and get your hair done. Spend a little bit of time. Spend a little bit of money. Go to Recool Hair. Get you a unit. If you're an expert, like I know some of you are, you can lay down your own. And look at the baby hairs. Look, it's got baby hairs. Listen, girl. Pre-plucked hairline. The only thing is the lace. I'm concerned with the lace. But we're going to tint it with my makeup, so it should be okay. But I'm super excited to see what Nidra does to it because I think it's going to be beautiful. So come on, you guys. Listen, take a little bit of time to do something for yourself today, okay? And listen, hello. I'll see you guys in a minute. Let's get into it.
I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC, get Hennessy. Yeah, that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know, let me know.
the dryer. Let's go.
That's me on camera. Into the dryer.
Ooh. Very nice unit, you guys. Very nice. Got my stick.
Yeah,
got my stick. Very nice. Very nice, ladies.
Bye, Nitro. Move. Give me the brush. Give me. Stop it. I can't stand. Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of the video. I really appreciate it, you guys. Shout out to Recool Hair for collaborating with this hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about it. Now, typically, I don't do straight hair just because it's so flat. And I also don't like a middle part, but I want to do something a little bit different because I know a lot of you queens love a middle part. But listen, it's 26 inches. We have 13 by 4. We had to tint the lace a lot because the lace was so light. It was that light brown lace. It wasn't transparent. It wasn't an HD lace, so we had to tint the lace. And of course, as you saw, she used her wax stick to keep it laid and slayed. And she gave me some baby hairs. Y'all know how I feel about that, but we're not even gonna get into that. But it's
just down with, got to be good as well.
Oh, no,
no adhesive.
We didn't do adhesive. We just used Got to Be Glued. And look, it's not going anywhere. So it's still very secure. I absolutely love it. You guys know it is the end of the year, so we're doing Black Friday sales. So you guys check out Recool Hair. They have lots of discounts and sales. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. Also, make sure to let me know what style you guys are interested in me doing next. But all we had to do was flat iron the hair, use our Got to Be Glued, get us a good straight line, and it was easy peasy. So all of those queens out there who know exactly what you're doing when it comes to styling, this one should be a walk in the park. And even those beginner girls like me who don't know what we're doing, girl, we can go to the salon. Okay, so listen, thank you so much, Recool Hair, for collaborating and sponsoring this video. Thank you, girls, for watching. Remember, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is stuck on gorgeous. What are you thinking? I want to know. And I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hello. Bye, girl.